Welcome again on Gurukul Online Learning Network. Me Abed Ali Khan. Today I will discuss about Polygon as I try to make you understand in my first episode. If you remember, it was on triangle. Okay? So as far I said about the polygon, poly means many and gon means sides. So here if I see in this diagram that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you see it's a 6 side. So as far I have remembered that if it is 6 side, then I will write hexagon. So you see gon is similar. Gon means sides and hexa means it is 6. So if it comes up like 7, so I will write here hepta. And gon is always the sides. Hepta means 7. If the figure will be the 7-sided, then that will be hepta. Okay? And if it is octagon, so octa means 8. So if I go up like, if I go for 5, then it will come, you know what? Pentagon. So if you see here, that if I write the 5 sides, that is the pentagon. It means that the diagram, the figure has 5 sides, pentagon. If it comes with a 4 side, then I will write what? Tetragon. And it comes about the triangle, it's the trigon. Okay? So tetra means 4-sided figure, we'll say in cases of polygon, tetragon, pentagon, 5-side, hexagon, 6-side, heptagon, 7-side, and octagon, 8-side. Same if I goes for the 9-side, then that will be the nonagon. And if I go for 10-side, then that will be decagon. Okay? So deca means 10. So today I will discuss about the polygon. This is the basic things. And sum of the exterior angle of a triangle is 360 degree. You will remember that. Sum of the exterior angle, as I said, as far I remember in my third episode about the exterior angle and interior angle. So exterior angle is the outside one. That all is what you see here. These all are exterior angle. Okay? And inside the angles, what you are seeing here, that's all is about the interior angle. Okay? So the first logic in polygon, I am telling you that about sum of the exterior angle of a triangle is 360 degree. Let's solve these sums. Okay? So if I write here, how many a's are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As it is 6-sided figure. So a plus a plus a plus a. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 a is missing. So as far I have concerned that all the a's, the 6 a's I have written here, that equals to 360 degree. If you know this logic, you must remember it to solve the polygon problem. This is number 1 logic I am giving you in polygon. You must be very careful about this. So sum of the exterior angle of a triangle, oh sorry, here I did a mistake about that. I cannot write here triangle, you see. So mistakes are also learning in some cases. So sum of the exterior angle of a polygon, you see. Huge mistake. So sum of the exterior angle of a polygon, now it's right, okay? Polygon is 360 degree. So polygon could be many sides, okay? So that's what I'm trying to make you understand here. So as it has 6 sides, so 6 a's means 360 degree. So if I'm going to solve it, 6a equals to 360 degree. In case I can write, you will divide this by taking this side. A will be equals to 60 degree. So this 6 will come in a denominator that divided by 6. So if I divide it, then a equals to 60 degree. So that's how I can solve this problem about the polygon number 1, that sum of the exterior angle of a polygon, it might be tetragon. So there will be 4 angles, okay? So that also will be 360 degree. You must remember, outside of the triangle, okay? Outside of the polygon, okay? So sum of the exterior angle of a triangle, sum of the exterior angle of a polygon, I have said you that is 360 degree, okay? Sum of the angles of a polygon. So if I'm going to solve one more problem for our student, suppose if the diagram is like this. So you see I'm now writing the interior angles. In my first problem, today's class, I tried my level best to make you understand about exterior angle of a polygon. And now I'm going to make you understand about the interior angle of a polygon. So listen very carefully. that interior angle means inside all the angles of the shape of the polygon. How many sides here? If I count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as it is a 5 sides, so I can say that it's a pentagon. So I can write here small letter n to indicate 5. So to make you understand, I'm writing here 5 sides. But I will not always write sides, okay? So here n equals to 5. So if I'm going to work on it, here our main question is that I will find A here. That is our question, okay? So if I find A here, I have to know another logic, that total interior angle, how much it comes, okay? So you see that if I write the total interior angle of a polygon, so twice A plus twice A plus twice A plus twice A, I'm writing here more 1 twice A here, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 angles here. So it is a pentagon, 5 sides, but I don't know that what is the total interior angle of a polygon. Okay, so I will use a formula to find total interior angle of a polygon. How are we going to find this out? So I will use this formula, twice n minus 4 into 90 degree. This is the formula to find it, okay? Twice n minus 4 into 90 degree. So n here indicates the number of sides. So as here it is 5-sided figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So instead of this n, I'm going to write 2 multiplied by 5 minus 4 in bracket and 90 degree. So I'm getting here what? 10 minus 4, 6 into 90. It means that 540 degree. So if I'm going to add this up, all sum of the interior angles of a polygon, here I will say of a pentagon, then the total angle, it comes 540 degree. And the formula, again I'm saying, listen it very carefully and see that 2 is a constant number here, n which indicates the number of sides, and minus 4 it's coming to the formula, then 90 degree. So this formula I'm using to find the total interior angle of a polygon. But my main concept is that to find A, not the total interior angle. So this is my total interior angles of a polygon. You have to use this formula, that is number 2. Number 1, I have said you that sum of the exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. Okay? In my polygon, in first lecture you can see that, okay? So this is my second lecture. I'm telling you that about the twice n minus 4, where n is indicating 5 here. So 2 into 5 minus 4 is 90 degree. I'm getting the total interior angle of a polygon is 540 degree. But my main desire is that to find the value of A. How will I find it? Before finding the interior angle, I cannot find A here. So now I have found the sum of the interior angle of a pentagon is 540 degree. So how will I find now A? So now you see that if I know that all interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degree, I can write here. You see, I do not need to write it again and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this twice A, if I sum up all the angles, that it comes 540 degree. And how I found this 540 degree? By using this formula. So this formula you must remember. Okay, note it down. So I can, if I sum up this one, okay, so if I sum up this one, suppose 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. So I can write here 10A equals to 540 degree. So it will divide by 10. So it comes A equals to 54 degree. Okay, so that was my main desire about it, to find the value of A. So that's how you can come up to find the interior angle of a polygon. Okay, so if I move on to the next way, that another formula I would like to give you, that is the number of sides they might ask you to find. Number of sides. N is indicating here, small letter n indicating here sides of a polygon. So here it was n equals to 5. That's why we have found it 540 degree by using the formula which I have shown you. And now the concept is, how will I find the number of sides? You might face this question too from a polygon. So the formula is that 360 degree divided by each, or you cannot write also even each, exterior angle. Okay? 360 degree divided by each exterior angle. So if I know the exterior angle, then I can easily find out about the number of sides. So let me rub it, no problem. So I'm showing you another problems. How I'm going to find the sides, okay? So you might get a questions like this. Okay, I'm making it a bit tricky for you. Suppose my question will be, find x if I don't give any interior angle. If you remember the adjacent angle, some of the adjacent angle on a straight line is 180 degree. I said you that before. So due to that concept, I will ask you that find x and this one is 2x. So two sort of questions you can sort it out through this diagram. One is that you have to find x, okay? And another one is that x is basically an interior angle. Okay, x is basically an interior angle. So you see that if I find the interior angle, so here I can write easily x plus 2x equals to 180 degree as the previous rule. So I am writing here only the third bracket. So inside the third bracket, you're going to write about the adjacent angles on a straight line. So you see it easily comes. What? 3x equals to 180. So x is coming here 60 degree. Okay. So if it is 60 degree, it is the twice x. So this will be what? 2 into 60. That is 120 degree. Okay. So I'm writing here x equals to 60 degree. And as it is twice x, so I have to multiply with x. Okay, if you don't understand, then for the exterior angle, I'm showing you again, twice x means what? 2 into 60. I'm writing here directly 120, no problem. So 2 into 60, that equals to 120 degree. So you see this 120 degree is an exterior angle. This 60 degree is an interior angle of a polygon. If I draw one more side to make you understand that this is the part of the polygon. But my main concept was that to find the number of sides, which was very important. So if I need to find the number of sides, I need to follow this formula. And formula is what? 360 degree divided by each exterior angle. So to find this n number of sides, I need to find exterior angle. And that's how I have found here exterior angle is how much here? 120 degree. Now I can put it here very easily, isn't it? So if I write here n equals to 360 degree divided by 120 degree. Because formula shows that, not the interior angle, each exterior angle. So exterior angle I have to find, I have found here what? 120 degree. Okay? So I have discussed with you about that. One formula was twice n minus 4, 90 degree. So this formula was to find the total interior angle of a polygon. And the second was, I have said that n equals to 360 degree by exterior angle. Each exterior angle, I have to write here each exterior angle. Each, if you write, so one exterior angle, if you put here, as I have shown you my second formula. And the third one, if I make a diagram like this, okay, and if I extend it, and this angle is x, So they ask me to find x here. So you see that in cases of polygon, as I said, you 4-side tetragon, 5-side pentagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is a 6-sided figure, if I am not wrong. So it's a hexagon. But my main concept is to find x. How will I find it? So 2 or 3 stages you have to work on. First of all, I need to find the interior angle. So I've showed you that how will I find the interior angle of a polygon? Total interior angle of a polygon I need to know by using this formula. So total interior, I'm not writing the full thing, so you try to understand my language verbally. Okay, total interior angle of a polygon, if I need to find, what I have to do? I have to use that formula. So here it was 6 side, 2 into 6 minus 4, 90 degree. So it's coming what? 8 into 90. That is 720 degree. Okay? The total interior angle of a polygon. And how many angles are here? 6 angles. So if I find each interior angle, if I find here each interior angle, then I will divide 720 by 6. As there are 6 angles. Okay? So each angle is coming here 120 degree. So you see it's very easy. Okay, so if its interior angle is 120, this one is also 120. So according to the adjacent angles on a straight line, I can find now these angles. Suppose if I name this angle, okay, P and Q. But you see P and Q might later different, but angles will come same because some of the adjacent angles on a straight line is 180 degree. So if one angle is 120, then this one also will be 60. And if it is 120, this is also 60. And if two base angles are equal, then I can say that this is an isosceles triangle. As in my first episode, I was trying to make you understand about the classifications of triangle. So this is an isosceles triangle. So if I find x here over, so you see, that's how I can find. So there are the 3 angles now, x plus 60 plus 60 equals to 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle. In my first lecture I've said that. So x equals to 180 minus 120. So it's coming x equals to 60 degree. Okay. So now you're coming to know about many things, and you see all sum up, it's coming together. So x equals to 60 degree. My question was that to find x here, not about the total interior angle or the side angles. It was not the question. Question was only x. But only to find x, I have to work in 3 stages. In first stage, what I did, I have found here the total interior angle of a polygon. What I found here, I've shown you the formula that comes 720 degree, and then each interior angle I have to found here, each interior angle. So that each interior angle I found by divided by 6, as it has 6 angles. So total is 720. So 720 divided by each interior angle, that is 6, it comes 120. Okay. So when I comes here, it's all angles are 120 degree. Then I found the other angle, sum of the adjacent angles on a straight line, which is 180 degree. Okay. So far you have come to know about it. I hope so. So x plus 60, I have written here 180 degree. So to make you understand, I'm just writing here indicating by the third brackets, because inside the third brackets there is a reason you can write here sum of the adjacent angles on a straight line, because now you are coming to know many reasons that why sum of the interior angles of a polygon is what is the formula to find sum of the interior angles of a polygon, what is the formula to find each exterior angle, or sum of the angles of a triangle, how much, and how much it forms. And another one is that about the x is equal to 60 degree. We have found here in cases to solve this polygon problem. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in the next episode. Enjoy the polygon problem. Have a nice time.